The material of the GEYA combiner box body is 1.2 mm thick domestic high-quality factory cold-rolled steel sheet, CNC bending and stamping, full solder joint welding process, after acid washing and phosphating surface treatment. The box is corrosion-resistant and anti-aging with electrostatic spray paint. Waterproof liquid foam glue is used to solidify and form the box door seal. Waterproof grade reaches IPX6. The top of the box adopts a sloping structure, compared to the flat top structure of most outdoor photovoltaic combiner boxes on the market. Less prone to water accumulation, therefore more resistant to corrosion. Next, I will introduce the internal components of the GEYA combiner box. The photovoltaic input fuse is a dedicated DC photovoltaic fuse. The maximum rated voltage can reach 1500 V. The maximum rated current can reach 63 A. Add anti-reverse current diode at the input end of the photovoltaic string. Can effectively prevent system occurrence. Reverse current damage to photovoltaic modules during unexpected faults. The total output DC molded case circuit breaker has high rated voltage, high rated current, and strong braking capacity. The DC circuit breaker is a DC positive and negative 2-pole 2P structure, completely different from low-end positive and negative 2-pole 4P molded case DC circuit breakers on the market. There are two types of photovoltaic input connection methods: conventional waterproof joint and panel type MC4.